This is my second watering can soap. Different design, but same embed. I had prepped all the dough and I ended up getting 2 watering cans. I was only planning on doing this batch, but because I had the dough, I just extruded the other watering can and I decided I would come up with a design for it. So that was the previous soap I made. Don't know which order this is airing in, sorry. So you might have already seen the video, might not have. And then I made a ton of flowers. This is half the flowers. The other half are going in a different batch with a different embed. Holy cow, so much extruding making these flowers. They're just a lot of work because there's so many of them. It's not that they're necessarily hard, it's just lots and lots of work to make them all. So these are going in the grass, and then I will pour a sky, and then I will put the watering can up so it like basically make it look like it's pouring onto the flowers. So that is the plan. Gotta shift these over a bit because I have 2 more flowers I have to fit in, and since I made all these flowers, you can bet I'm using all these flowers. So many flowers. I just have to shift this one a little, and I can get it in. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to place this last flower, and then I will go make the sky, pour the sky, put the watering can in, and then add my top embellishments, and we'll come back and cut it tomorrow. Okay, whew, lots of flowers. Okay, if you saw the other video, I don't know if it's posted yet, but I had the two-toned watering can because apparently I had 2 different grays and I did not realize this. So that cracks me up. The blue got a little lost. I mean, you see it if you're looking up close. From afar, it just was a little bit lost, but tiny air gap. Those air gaps were from the embed. Like, there was no way I was going to infill them. I just wasn't good enough on trying to squeeze the space out of it. So that's okay. That was to be expected. It's my spring flowers. being watered. It's cute. Like I said, I wish there was a tad more contrast. I should have done a lighter sky, but otherwise, that's not bad. And yeah, I definitely did not squeeze that to fill that gap. Not the end of the world. Huh. Okay. This is soap. 6 of 9 of the spring soaps. So they're getting there. I'm almost done. Let me know what you think.